Have you tried spaghetti bolognese? You haven't? Well, you're missing out. Today on my channel, I'm going to be showing you how I make my spaghetti bolognese. I'll be sharing with you my recipe. So stick around and let's get right into it, shall we? For this recipe, we'll be making use of some chopped onions, tomato paste, spring onions, some chopped bell peppers, some minced meat, minced beef, onion powder, crushed peppers, and some paprika powder. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on here, please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also share with your friends, like and comment. So this is a very simple recipe, and to start off, you're going to be cooking our minced beef. Yes, it was a bit frozen, so I had that defrosted, and then I went in with some groundnut oil, canola oil, olive oil. It's all dependent on what you use. Going with some chopped onions, and then I added in my minced meat or minced beef. I'm not sure why I keep saying minced meat. I guess once this has cooked for a little bit, I went in with the remainder of the onions, my paprika powder, some onion powder, some salt to taste, bouillon cube, and then some crushed red peppers. I would give this a very good mix, and then I'll allow it to cook for a bit till it's well cooked. So once this is done, I would also be going in with my tomato paste. Yes, once you've added your tomato paste, you can also go in with some fresh tomatoes, some chopped fresh tomatoes, but I didn't have any, so I added some blended fresh tomatoes. So I made use of some tomato paste and then some blended fresh tomatoes. So I'll give this a very good mix. I'll test to ensure the seasoning is enough, salt, and then bouillon cube. I went in with some extra salt, gave this another mix, and I will allow this to cook for a little bit. While this is cooking, I'll start off with boiling my spaghetti. So in a pot of boiling water, I'll go in with my spaghetti of choice. Once this has been added, I like to go in with some canola oil in mine so it doesn't stick together, but some people prefer to cook it as is. So I went in with a little oil. I left this to boil. You can see the spaghetti is ready. Some people like it al dente, but I like it as is. I drained the water, and then back to our sauce. I allowed it to cook for some more, and then I added in my chopped bell peppers. I would allow the bell peppers to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll take it off the heat. Okay, I'm back to check on this, and I'll be taking this off the heat, and we'll be moving on to the next step. So I'll add in my boiled spaghetti, which I drained the water already, and then I'll go in with my minced meat sauce. So this can also be known as minced beef sauce, but the general name would be spaghetti bolognese. Let me know, have you tried this recipe? Have you heard of spaghetti bolognese? If you haven't, would you be trying this recipe out? Let me know in the comment section. So we are going to keep stirring this, give it a very good mix to ensure they are well blended in. I tested this to ensure there is enough salt and seasoning, pepper, and all of the above. Yes. So once this is done, I'll be going in with my final ingredient, which is the spring onions. Once I've added this, I'll just allow this to cook for a minute or two, and then I'll take this down. So isn't this looking very yummy and very easy, right? It's very easy to make. I'm sure your kids will love it, adults will love it, your visitors and guests would also love it. So please try this out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Our spaghetti is ready and we've plated this to dig in. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.